Welcome to another video. Let's solve this question. Don't forget to get this book. Anyways, so it says the function g is defined by g of x given as this, where t is a constant. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to g of x passes through the point 24, 0. What is the value of g of 0? So first thing we have to do is to write this equation here. Okay, so let me go down. So this is y, which is the same as your g of x, and this is x plus 14 into t minus x. Okay, so this is the first thing. But in the xy plane, we are told that this graph of this function passes through a point. So this point, this is going to be your x, and this is going to be your y. So the first thing, since t is a constant, we first of all have to find t. Okay, so let's substitute x and y in this equation. So y here is going to be 0, or g of x, which is also 0, equals to this x is 24 plus 14, then t is constant minus this is again 24. Okay, once you have this, this is 0 equals to this is 38 into t minus 24. Don't multiply, you're going to waste your time. What you do, divide here by 38. This and this goes to your t minus 24 equals to 0. Now you add plus 24 here, this and this goes. So your t now becomes 24. So that is your constant. Okay, assuming you are taking this t again, put it in here. So your y, which is your g of x, now becomes x plus 14 into t now is 24 minus x, right? Hopefully you guys can see onto this point. This now we are asked to find g of 0. So wherever we see x now, we put 0. Okay, so this becomes g of 0 equals to x is 0 plus 14 into 24 minus 0. So we are going to have g of 0 equals to this is 14 multiplied by 24. Use your calculator and that should give you the answer. One easy trick you can use to multiply this one. Use the say 14 into this is 20 plus 4, right? This and this is very easy to calculate. So once you've done this one, this is very easy. Because zeros are very easy to deal with. You multiply 2 times, it gives you 280, right? Plus this and this is very easy to deal with. This is 16, so that gives you 66. Now add these two. You have 6 here, you have 4, and you have 3. And that is your g of 0. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget, before you go, get this book from TikTok. The link is here if you're watching this video on TikTok. Get it, it's very cheap and it's free shipping. Okay, if you want to be admitted to a top US university and get a scholarship, you need to get a good SAT. It will help you score. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.